Welcome to the world of perfecting the art of charring Korean barbecue short ribs. In this video, we dive deep into the techniques and secrets to achieving that ideal crispy texture that will leave your taste buds craving for more. From the marinade to the grill, every step plays a crucial role in creating a dish that is both flavorful and enticing. Get ready to elevate your barbecue skills and impress your guests with the mastery of charring Korean barbecue short ribs. Selecting the right cut of short ribs is the foundation for a successful Korean barbecue dish. Different cuts offer varying levels of tenderness and flavor profiles, which can impact the final result. Understanding the characteristics of each cut and how they react to charring is essential for achieving that perfect char and juicy texture. In this video, we explore the best options available and why they excel in creating a mouth-watering dish that will have everyone coming back for seconds. Preparing the ribs before charring is a crucial step that can make or break your Korean barbecue experience. The marinating techniques and seasoning choices play a vital role in enhancing the flavors and ensuring optimal tenderness. From choosing the right marinade ingredients to allowing enough time for the flavors to penetrate the meat, every detail matters. In this video, we delve into the art of prepping the ribs for charring, providing you with the knowledge and skills to elevate your barbecue game to the next level. Mastering the charring process is essential for achieving that perfect balance of tenderness and crispy texture in Korean barbecue short ribs. Techniques such as grill temperature control and flipping methods can significantly impact the outcome of your dish. Understanding when to adjust the heat and how to properly flip the ribs for even charring is key to creating a mouth-watering meal. In this video, we share valuable tips and tricks to help you navigate the charring process with confidence and skill. Once you've mastered the art of charring Korean barbecue short ribs to perfection, the next step is serving and enjoying the fruits of your labor. We'll explore the best ways to present your crispy ribs, whether it's on a platter garnished with fresh herbs or in individual servings for a more refined dining experience. From pairing suggestions to plating techniques, we'll help you elevate the presentation of your dish and create a memorable culinary experience for your family and friends.